In this video, we're going to show you how to change a logo in Framer. Whether you're updating a template or customizing your own site, Framer makes it easy to replace logos quickly. The simplest method is direct replacement. Select the existing logo on your canvas, then go to the Fill property in the right-hand panel. Click the image thumbnail and upload your new file. This works for both images and SVGs and ensures your logo is replaced immediately. If the logo is part of a component, like a header or footer, you'll need to double-click the component to enter the editor. Once inside, select the logo and replace the image with your new file. This keeps the component structure intact while updating the visual. You can also drag and drop a new image or SVG directly onto the existing logo placeholder. Framer will automatically replace the old logo with the new one. To adjust for quality and appearance, use the width and height settings in the right-hand panel to make sure the new logo fits perfectly. For the best results, use SVG files to avoid pixelation. And if you have different logos for dark and light modes, you can set these as component variants. Finally, if you want to change your site's favicon, go to Site Settings, General, Social Image, and upload the smaller browser icon. By following these steps, you can quickly update your logo in Framer, maintain responsive design, and ensure your branding looks polished across all devices.